Now, money bill only contains those provisions. The only way the government can justify this to be a money bill would be to say that the penal course and the prosecution the element that is included in this bill is included in the definition of incidentals, along with the imposition of taxes, because incidentals are allowed. But otherwise, there is no way that the government can justify this to be a money bill. Government has to concede that this is a financial bill as defined under the section 1171 of the Constitution, because financial bill very clearly, and that's what the essence of the Constitution is. The Constitution makers, ma'am, when they made this provision, this article 1171, they foresaw this situation in which a bill which is very similar to a money bill, but which has some other element also. And ma'am, this has a heavy penal element involved in it. There is the associated amendments in Money Laundering Act and FEMA are also, going to be part of this entire piece of legislation. That is why the Constitution provided for this particular article, because under this article, this bill can be sent to a joint committee for more legislative scrutiny. And in this case, ma'am, this bill requires, even the laws of criminal jurisprudence would have us send such a bill with such heavy penal and prosecution impositions to subject it to a higher level of legislative scrutiny, and that is why this article is provided for a kind of money bill which has certain other element also. So ma'am, I would like to urge upon you, and through you the government, to reconsider treatment of this as a money bill. It's a very important piece of legislation. You use the article 117 of the Constitution, which will ensure that this bill would be put to more legislative scrutiny by sending it to a joint committee. That is our request to you.
Yes.
11th आवर तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट बने रहने के लिए तैयार थे। उसको अचानक क्यों, जब ये बात चली पार्टी के अंदर और उसी पर इनको हटाया गया।